Hi, Stacey Owlet Mother at Ramona Barnhouse, and I have been overwhelmed with questions and comments and sad stories like, oh my gosh, the mice are in my car, they're eating the wires, I had to replace the wiring cage. And listen, I have been there more times than I care to admit. Funny story, not really funny, it's actually really sad. When I traded in my last car, I made sure everything was spotless, perfect, and I had gone out of town that weekend. I had already taken out all of the things that keep my engine safe, and I already had a firm price trade-in, and when I traded it in, there was a nest in my engine, and I lost a huge amount of money on my car. So the most important thing about this is stay diligent, and this is all prep work. So you do this before you get problems with your car. This has been a triple threat approach, right? People say, oh, I use the electronic, it doesn't work. Oh, I use essential oil, it doesn't work. Do you know why? Because you have to have the triple threat. You have to have three things in conjunction, and it's consistency. You don't just put one product in and then walk away and 6 months later be like, oh, I have a nest. No. That's on you, right? And before we get started, I just want to say that I'm about to mention a lot of products and where you can get them. I am not affiliated with any of these places or stores, but if you want, you can hit me up because we're always looking for ways to fund the owl research, right? So this is what we do. If you live in the middle of nowhere, like I do, and have a decent car, right? Or any car, really. You want to really take care of your engine in your car because it's so costly once you get a nest. There's times when they build a nest, especially in the rain. They build a nest in the cold, and they build a nest when you're not prepared. So this is up to you. Here's what I do. I do have a detailing service that comes twice a month. And part of their list is to do these three things. This they install from the beginning. This is a rodent repellent sonic ultrasound sign and flashing lights. By itself, it doesn't work that great. Again, this is something you use in conjunction. Do not get the ones that are just battery operated. They don't work. Well, they may work for a few weeks, then the battery dies, and then you forget to change them. You get a mouse, right? So get the nice ones. I would have it professionally installed because if you install it wrong, guess what? You're going to wake up in the morning and your car battery is going to be dead, right? So have it done right. This is one that I have in my car, rodent repellent. I get this from my auto detailer, K2. And every 2 weeks they come, they make sure this is working. They clean my car. This is magic. It's actually called magic soap. This is Dr. Bonner, and it's basically like a Castile soap. It's made right here in Southern California. You take this, it comes in way bigger bottles, I promise, and you just put a few drops and you mix it with water, Dr. Bonner, and you spray this on a rag, and what they do is they wipe the whole engine hood with this. Again, every 2 weeks. Wipe this really, really good. Then, Grandpa Gus, love Grandpa Gus, he's my guy. These are mouse repellent pouches. On their own, no. Again, this is in conjunction. These are peppermint essential oils, cinnamon essential oils, and they change it every 2 weeks in the wheel wells, right? Don't miss a month. You'll get mice, right? So 3 simple things in conjunction work. Another thing you can do, and this is from a professional that gave me this advice, take a cotton ball, again, every 2 weeks, and run it along the wires. Jasmine, lavender, cinnamon, eucalyptus, peppermint, they're all great. On a cotton ball, run it along the wires. The mice are going for the soy wrapping in your wires of your engine well. That's what you want to protect, first thing. So if you have any questions, if you have a product that you use that you feel works, if you have a horror story, boy, do I have my own. You can leave that story in the comment, right? We're all here to help and educate each other. So DM me, email me at hello@ramonabarnaz.com. Send me comments, whatever. I will do my best to always respond to you. And again, if you have any questions, I'm here for you. Thanks for watching. That's why they call me the Owl Boss.